tequila style.
Eat the worm, motherfucker. Tequila spice, hot nights, feeling right, sipping on Jose Cuervo. Down in Tijuana, Mexico, thinking of the big score the night before. Met the connect, who was impressively dressed in high fabrics with troops like Beirut. Upon the mezzanine, brandishing submachine guns. Hey yo, it's all about the money, son. Now that's the only reason. Became south of the border to complete this work order. We gotta get it, no looking back, going all out for it. Ready to attack, die in a minute, flat for it. God is my witness. We got ditches for you motherfucking fake bitches. It all boils down to the business. Nothing personal when niggas acting like they're helping you. I fucking blast you like Frank Castle. Motherfucker.
Tequila sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die. So get the money, nigga. Sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die. So get the money, nigga. I never knew money like this in the palm of my hand till I met the man with man hook up in big plans. Everywhere you look up, he got everybody shook up running for cover. The big bad wolf, motherfucker. He was like a father figure. Showed me the bigger picture. Fuck slanging on the corner. Don't let the pigs get ya. Not like these fools who don't comprehend. Who end up doing the 25 big in the pen. You got that? He gave me a cup. I took a swig. The bitter taste of the Moscow green worm shit. Dropping a lesson. He slapped my face. He said, listen, pay attention, brother. You're my ace, but don't ever question. Just do what I say and you'll be rich. And keep this in your mind. Rats lay in the ditch with no spine. Don't ever forget that golden rule in the game. Cheers, they all know your name. It's like fame. Wild women and money don't mix like cricket and driving. Watch those conniving women and keep your